Hello guys, hello and welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys really doing good. Yes my friends, I'm good too. Today guys are already read the caption. Yes, I'm gonna talk about hotbit exchange. Why I'm reviewing, it's not a review, it's a very well known exchange, but some people thought it's a scam exchange. They are not giving a withdraw, but they have some centralized issue with. Okay, so those issue I'm going to discuss with this webinar with you guys, and I'm going to show you today. The main focus of is Yooshi Coin. As you can see, it's a you can say it's a part two. Well, it's here is in on my exchange, hotbit. I'm gonna put this referral link down in the description box. You guys can check. So it's a sell time because the price is really up. I already sold my Yoshi, as you can see, at the price of 39,200 Satoshi, 10 million Yoshi, and then I'm gonna brought again. So some people ask me, how can I, or you can buy from here. So just look, I have some small amount of USDT here. So if I go 100%, correct? So here's the val volume is maximum and the minimum, right? So you cannot sell minimum, and one more thing, you cannot use separate digit here like 7135. You have to go with three, like this amount 300 or 3000, but it not gonna be allow me to buy because the minimum is 100, right? So as you can see, it's a 1 million because depends on which coin I'm going to buy, right? So it's a meme coin, so we need to buy more because it's $1 trillion supply coin. So right now I exchange with BNB with USDT. Why I use BNB pair with USDT? I hold some look here because it's approximately, if I go to my fund right now real quick, but let me check the first, the Yoshi Coin. Stick with me. If you are not subscribed my channel, my friends, please subscribe and like and uh, give your opinion about Yoshi Coin. Okay, I love to learn, my friends. Please do that. Okay, it's a Binance Smart Chain token coin, right? So as you can see, if I go here and look at the pump, is really good though, but remember one thing, my friend. Let me see the market. Remember one thing, my friends. Cryptocurrency is a very high risky platform. I always told you, this is my disclaimer to you guys. Invest the amount which you can willing to lose. All right, play amount like $10, $15, $100 is depend on you how much you can afford to lose. Otherwise stay out of crypto. Okay, I'm sorry to say, but I don't want to see people losing money. It's not good though. So let's hear. This is my uh, page. Please consider like and follow it. Okay, I'm gonna put all link on the down description box below. So please follow those links, my friends. I hope you will be with me forever with my channel. Thank you. So let's begin. The price is really high right now, 38.3% up. Yoshi, yesterday I brought with like more than 24 or 22% down, or 21%. I'm not recall right now. So here is the thing. Okay, I want to withdraw uh, fund from here to my trust wallet. Okay, some people says your hotbit is a scam exchange. They are not allow me to whole amount. Yeah, they are centralized. There's no doubt about, they're centralized. They are locked. Those coin I cannot sell those coin. If I go with, like, look, it's not about Okay, it's not it's not going to allow me to sell less than 100,000. If I click here, sell, not enough balance. If I go check this out here, 90, 100%. Look, there must be have to have a million coins. So that's why I am going to convert USDT with BNB. When I do, BNB price was that time $537, but currently BNB is up $544. So I'm gonna withdraw fund right now. So that's why I'm going to click withdraw on my hotbit account. All right, so here I'm going to choose BNB, which is already selected. As you can see, the amount is, I'm talking about the amount. So here I need to choose here uh, BSC, which is, what is the meaning of B? If you go to with BNB, so it's directly to BNB wallet. Okay, so if you go to smart chain wallet, then you need to choose this one. Please remember that. Otherwise, if you have like $100 of I'm just suppose I'm just saying, okay, approximately $100 of worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other, like in fact meme coin like Dogecoin, you need to pay a high fee. But only BNB has a very low fee on this Hotbit exchange. So keep on this on your mind, my friends. Okay, so why I'm choose BNB? Because it's a low cost fee here. All right, so I'm going to show you right now. I already copied the address where I'm going to send it. This is my trust wallet. Although I can, yes, I can deposit here too, right? So this is my Binance account. So as you can see, this is BNB wallet address. I can easily copy this one and put here, but I want this money on my trust wallet. So here it is, and I'm gonna click max. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you my screen, my phone screen, my mobile screen. Right now you guys are seeing, right? So here I'm going to select trust wallet. Okay, I have already $2. All right, my friends, so here I'm going to send the amount, and I transfer Yoshi has a very high fee from transaction, man. This is they should look, it's a $32 of BNB cost I just want to pay for one transaction. So there's a win-win chance. If the price goes up, there's a win-win chance there. Otherwise everything is same, my friends. All right, so let's begin it. Here I submit, and I submit here. Look at the fee here. Fee is really low, and I approximately got this amount, which is not bad though. The BN price is good. So look, the people who are actually saying Hotbit is a scam, is not. They are not a scam coin exchange. I'm gonna show you live. Okay, the withdraw live, and you guys already saw my trade history. Okay, let me send the okay, let me check my Gmail here real quick for Hotbit, because code is here. All right, uh, okay, yes, I got the code. Okay, I have the code, so I'm gonna put the code right now. And I need a Google authenticator code for the security of withdrawing my balance. So where it is here. All right, 2931. Yeah, I'm gonna click confirm. Look, everything is on your eye, my friend. You just saw. Okay, I just send it, and let me wait for some minutes right now, because it takes some time to transfer. Okay, so if I go to transaction history right now, look, here's the okay, it's saying withdraw is complete. Okay, the transaction low fee is low, very low. So if you go with $100 withdraw with USDT, you need to pay $25 fee. For Bitcoin, Bitcoin maybe like $12, Ethereum almost like 15 or 70, but USDT is 25 $25 transaction fee. So that's why I choose BNB for that. Okay, so now I'm gonna saw my trust wallet. Look at my trust wallet, if it's come yet or not. All right, my friends, here it is. $31 is already comes. Okay, so as you can see, here it is. Look at the network fees. Yeah, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click Yoshi again and look at the price chart here. If you want to see the price chart, yes, it's a price chart is going really high. Okay, so if I want to buy right now, so what I'm going to do, I am just simply going to click buy, and here I'm going to click connect wallet. And for if you are using an iPhone, then you need to use wallet connect. Okay, you cannot do if you are Android user, then you can directly go with trust wallet here. Okay, but for my case, I am going to, because I'm using iPhone, so iPhone uh, need to wallet connect. So here I'm going to choose wallet connect. So here I'm going to click trust wallet, click the trust wallet. Okay, let me choose the trust base. Okay, so from here it not going working here for direct connect wallet. Okay, I'm gonna close everything up, and wallet connect may takes few seconds. Okay, so let's try again and search Yoshi here. Yoshi, here it is. Now here I'm going to choose exchange, click exchange. Here's the hotbit price. Okay, okay, pancake swap are not going to allow me to buy it, because if I click this one, pancake swap, it not going to connect, because here, let me see, is allow me or not. Okay, see, is error is still showing, so I need to go with Poo Coin Exchange if I want to buy it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna click this one and go to Poo Coin app. Yeah, here it is, and connect wallet, wallet connect, here it is. Okay, here I can connect the wallet, connect. Right, so here I'm gonna go back, and wallet is connected, and I need to see the coin. Okay, so here I'm going to click the trade, and look, the BNB is showing here. Now here I'm going to type Yoshi again, here it is. So okay, so let me click the max. So here I can still buy 10 million coin right now. Okay, if I go swap, and it's easily I can swap and exchange it. But I'm not gonna do that. The price is really high right now, so I'm gonna keep this my Binance Chain wallet here. Let me log out. Okay, here it is. So that's it, guys. Enjoy it if you like it. So I'm just play around with my $30, so it doesn't matter if I'm losing or Yoshi gonna down like again like 30-40%, then I'm gonna buy again. So that's the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you do like it, so give, share with your friends, family, and if you have any question, please your question always open on my comment box. Have a great blessed day. Bye bye.